You excited to go see Katie and Alex? Are you excited for a weekend? A play weekend? Are you excited? Yay!
Are you
ready to go see Auntie Katie?
Hi, buddy.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi. Okay.
Hi. What's your tea? Oh,
All right.
yeah. Okay. Okay. You can.
Okay. What do you think, Chief? Are you excited to spend the weekend here?
We're excited to have it.
Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah. Okay. Hi. All right, Boo Boo. I love you. I'll see you in a few days or a couple days.
Kate tries to
Bye.
give her,
You be a good boy. Oh. I love you. Oh, you're excited. You're like, get out of here, Mom. Look at this. What kind is it? What is it?
well, it's a chicken.
Oh.
We don't know what breed yet. We won't know for another couple of weeks.